there are so many new things that I had to unlearn and relearn. And as someone who is involved in helping teachers to design phrases and scripts in English communication, I find that I was like, last night I made lots of astaghfirullah because all the scripts were secular. For example, to say it's a beautiful day, it's a lovely day, even as simple as that, it's the creator is not inside the script. Although in the heart we believe that he is there, but in the spoken words, the creator is missing. So I see now that how a teacher has to be very meticulous and has to be very observant in the choice of words that he or she uses. And number two, on second day only that I noticed, if you guys can look at your mic on your table, what do you see? What word is there? Creator, right? I was like, hey, the world, the universe is a book, and we should see the creator everywhere, and literally that word is there. Oh, mashallah. Thank you.